What if you could fight fatigue, low testosterone, inflammation, and aging? Naturally, drawing from decades of research into natural remedies, today we'll explore 6 powerful ingredients that target the real root causes of aging, things like chronic inflammation, hormonal imbalance, and declining cellular energy. And the best part? You don't need a lab-made supplement. Just one serving of these daily can lead to real results you can feel. Let's break them down. 1. Ashwagandha, used in Ayurvedic medicine for over 3,000 years. Ashwagandha helps regulate cortisol, the stress hormone that disrupts testosterone
and muscle growth.
It enhances energy, reduces anxiety, and promotes hormonal balance in both men and women. 2. Maca root, native to Peru. This root is a natural libido booster and energy enhancer. It supports endocrine health, balancing hormones while increasing stamina and fertility, a go-to for restoring vitality with age. 3. Turmeric with black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. Combined with black pepper, it becomes highly bioavailable. This duo fights oxidative stress, a key factor in cellular aging, and helps reduce joint pain and fatigue. 4. Beetroot powder. Beets are rich in nitrates, which increase blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles. They're great for boosting energy, exercise performance, and cardiovascular health, all of which decline as we age. 5. Ginseng, known for its ability to fight fatigue. Ginseng enhances physical performance, memory, and libido. It also supports immune function and helps balance hormones naturally. 6. CoQ10 ubiquinol. As we age, our body's natural CoQ10 levels drop, impacting heart health and mitochondrial function. Supplementing with CoQ10 helps restore cellular energy, improve skin, and support muscle endurance. How to use them? Most of these come in powder or capsule form and can be taken in smoothies, teas, or with water. Start with one ingredient daily and build up gradually. Results: in just 7 to 14 days, people often report more energy and focus, improved strength and recovery, higher libido and better mood, and overall vitality and resilience. Aging is natural, but how you age, add these to your daily routine and feel the change. For more science-backed health tips and natural solutions, subscribe to FGS SciTech. Your future self will thank you.